How to link the search page on Squarespace. To link to the default search page on Squarespace, you can use the relative URL slug search when creating a link. So on your navigation menu right here, you just need to click on this plus icon. Now from in there, scroll down and click on link. Once you have done that, you can just input right here the link title. I'll input search. And for the URL, let's click on the slug for the actual search. Click on this and input a forward slash and input right here search. Once you have done that, you have the option to open it in a new tab as well. Now in there, just click onto the save right here in order to save this. Once you have done this, it should be able to input right here the search, and in the link field, you can just head over and then add it right here directly. You can also do this on a text or button block if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.